Oh no, it's nighttime already. I can smell the demon's scent, but only slightly. The smells are all blending together. It's awful. This has to be the kidnapper. I should sort out the information I have so far. Focus. I just need to follow this scent. Excuse me.
Huh?
Hurry. Keep a level head, but hurry. I need to get up there to follow the scent. Excuse me.
What'd you say? Whoa!
I think I can get down there. Excuse me.
Hmm?
Okay. Hold it! Waterfall basin! I'm coming after you! Hold it! I'm coming! No way! It's not over yet! Hold it! I can smell it! The opening thread! Excuse me. Okay. Stay focused. Don't lose the scent. Excuse me.
What?
Hey there!
Okay. I can't go any farther. I need to find another route. I need to get up there to follow the scent. I should be able to get up there using this. I can get down if I use that. Excuse me.
Hmm? Why, certainly.
I think I can get down there. I can make it through that gap. Okay.
This is the end for you! Bastard!
I'm coming after you! Waterfall Basin! Water wheel!
This is the end for you!
Water wheel! That's my chance! The demon is just up ahead. I'm ready. Let's end this. The scent is weak here. I should go back. The scent is weak here. I should go back. The scent is weak here. I should go back. There's no mistaking this smell. This is it. They're right here. I don't see them. Although, the scent is strongest right here. I get it now. This demon can hide himself underground.
What the hell is that?
What did you do with the girls you kidnapped?
He's behind all this?
This scent! I knew there was another one! From the wall, too?
Tell me, why in the world would a demon travel with a mere human?
Nezuko, can you handle this? They all have the exact same scent. Which means one demon has split into 3.
Bastard! She'll go stale! Move out of the way, you little punk! The girl's 16 already! She's losing flavor by the second! If I don't eat her soon, there won't be any left at all! Take a breath, other me. Calm down. I've already satisfied myself feasting on these town girls. Every one of them juicy and delicious. Well, I'm not satisfied at all, other me! I want to devour all of them!
I need your help. Hold her for me and stay close.
Huh? Oh, all right. You monster! Bring Satoko back! The girl you took the other night!
Satoko? Which one was that? If her hairpin is in this collection, then I'm afraid I've already eaten her. Sorry.
That's... Satoko's... You killed...
How cruel!
That woman is mine! Hand her over!
Nezuko, don't strain yourself! It gets too dangerous, retreat!
As if a mere human could defeat us! I'll tear you brats to shreds! This human is no pushover. I've never seen other humans before.
I've been able to stand my ground against these three. All thanks to Nezuko's help. Attacks are more coordinated than expected. I can't let them be one step ahead of me. I have to predict their next move and react. All right, let's end this here. You smell horrible. You give off a scent like rotten oil. I know where it comes from. Tell me, how many people have you killed? How many people have you eaten?
Give me a break already! If women live too long, they turn ugly, and then they won't taste good anymore! I killed them for their own good, you know! You should be thanking us!
Never mind. I'll take you on! Water wheel! We're cornered! Over here! Keep it up! Where did the other two go? Underneath? It's dragging me under! Nezuko! I'm going in! Keep them safe for me!
Keep them safe! She can damn well try! But that woman is mine! I'll devour her whole! You damn traitor! Why are you teaming up with a human? Humans are weak and pathetic, nothing more than prey! You're impossible to understand. She can't use get out of my sight! There's no way I'll be beaten by a weakling like you! Damn it all! Hurry! What the hell? I got you! Damn it all! This girl's powerful! picked up any skills. She's still so strong. Get out of my sight! He must have given her a massive amount of blood! Hey! Hurry! And die! Oh, the hell! I will hurry! And die! How can she be this powerful without using a blood demon art? It's absurd! Just die already! I'm gonna drill a hole right through your face!
Whirlpool! Hands off my sister! What do you know about Muzan Kibutsuji? Tell me!
I can't tell you. I just can't.
You mustn't tell a soul. No one can know anything about me, understand? Don't forget, I'm always watching you. So if you tell anyone, I will know about it.
I can't! I can't! I can't! I can't! I can't! I can't tell you alright!
This is bad. I don't know what he'll try to pull in his desperation. I need to hurry and behead him!
I told you I can't talk, damn it!
Waterfall Basin!
You! Get out of my sight! Stop me! I told you! Damn you! I told you! Damn you! I told you! Damn you!
Nezuko! Are you alright? The demon's losing strength. We've almost cornered him! I'll take you on! Waterfall Basin!
I can't tell you! I can't! I can't! Get out of my sight! I can't tell! I can't! I can't! If I do, he's gonna! I told you I can't! Die! Stop!
Not happening! Keep it up!
Get away from me!
Over here! Keep it up! You smell horrible. You give off a scent like rotten oil. I know where it comes from. Tell me, how many people have you killed? I failed to get any information. Nezuko! She's fast asleep. Probably to heal her wounds. I failed. I'm sorry. But just hang on. I promise you this. I will make you human again! Mr. Kazumi? Are you alright?
I lost my fiancée. How could I be all right?
Mr. Kazumi, you have to go on. No matter what. In spite of losing people. Even though it's devastating.
How am I supposed to do that? You're just a kid. What do you know?
I'll be on my way now. Here. Hopefully, you'll find something of Miss Satoko's in here.
You've been through this yourself, haven't you? I'm sorry! I shouldn't have said that! Please forgive me! I'm so sorry! His hands are heartbreaking. Hardened and thick from training. They're not the hands of a boy.
Mr. Kazumi never should have crossed paths with demons. He should have lived a quiet, peaceful life. But all of that crumbled into pieces in an instant. I'm not alone. How many people have you killed? Tortured? Tormented? Usan Kibutsuji. I swear, I'll make you pay. I swear!